ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing well. I heard you wanted to know how to make Stellated Necrathene. I've been getting a bunch of it myself, and I wanted to show you how I get mine. Grab your Sunfire Star Miner. The blueprint can be bought from Otak, and you're set up to head out to Cambion Drift. While I have you here, I'm a small channel, and every like and subscription could change the trajectory. I appreciate it. And once here, open the map by holding M, and pick out any sign with a mountain on it and go there. We're going to be running through as fast as possible, mining everything you see. From my experience, the drop chance is so weird that I get more when I don't do the mining minigame and just focus on getting the maximum amount of rolls on the blue gem notes. This here is my favorite way of farming Necrathene. You also have the option of doing Requiem obelisks, but those are kind of annoying to do, and it even says here on the wiki that you cannot get the rare resources, so why even do those, to be honest? Good luck and have a great one, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you in the next one.